When we're talking about academic integrity here at Lakehead, one very important document to mention is the Student Code of Conduct Academic Integrity, or Academic Integrity Code for short. Not only does this document clearly lay out the academic expectations we have for all of our students, this document or policy also covers key information such as what behavior qualifies as a violation of academic integrity, what the process looks like if there is a suspected violation, what penalties or sanctions can be implemented if you're caught plagiarizing or cheating. And lastly, it explains your rights as a Lakehead student. Your right to be heard, to have a fair investigation process, the right to a support person, and the right to appeal a decision. The Academic Integrity Code is quite a large document, and we understand for some people it can be a little bit intimidating. So we've created some additional materials that summarize its contents and are a little more user-friendly, so be sure to check those out. It's your responsibility to be familiar with the policy. For the purposes of this course, however, we wanted to communicate a few key points that every student should be familiar with. First, you need to understand that a formal process is automatically initiated for every suspected breach of academic integrity. This does not automatically mean that you are guilty, nor does it automatically mean that you're going to get a 0, fail your course, or get expelled from school. What a formal investigation process does mean is that our students are guaranteed a fair, consistent, and documented process. So while we realize the formality can be a bit scary, having this formal process is actually to our students' benefit. Each student is entitled to provide their side of the story and be heard, and it's not considered disrespectful to our professors at all. Second, you need to know that while we do try to give our students second chances and to learn from their mistakes, there are still significant consequences for violating the code. If you were caught plagiarizing, you could get a formal warning or have a chance to resubmit your assignment, but you could also get a 0 on the assignment or an even greater reduction in the course grade. And if you're caught cheating on an exam, you can get 0 on the exam, or you could get a 0 on the course, which shows up as academic misconduct on your transcript. And in extreme cases, especially with significant repeat offenses, you could get suspended or expelled. It all depends on the nature of the violation. But the point here is, it's not worth it. Be very careful when writing to avoid plagiarism, and definitely steer clear of anything that qualifies as gaining an unfair advantage over your fellow students, because this could be considered cheating.